Welcome to SyrPeer's presentation on our mission, values, and projects. This presentation has been pre-recorded, and individuals are encouraged to visit syrpeer.org for the most up-to-date information. If you are listening to this recording during a live webinar, or via Twitter Spaces, there will be a Q&A session hosted at the end of this recording. As always, we thank you for joining us and for your support. Reverend Clark, ordained in April of 2021, is the founder of SyrPeer Incorporated and has completed state training for NYCPS and SyrPeer credentialing, holding an SyrPeer provisional credential while waiting to attend the in-person training to obtain his professional credential. Recently he completed the Integrated Mental Health Addictions Treatment Training Certificate, and SPTIE, Foundations of Suicide Management Training. James aims to use his studies and recovery story to inspire hope in others that may be experiencing similar challenges, while providing a platform for growth. SyrPeer started from the idea that all individuals living within Syracuse and its surrounding communities are all peers in their own right. As public awareness of mental health has come to the forefront of many conversations, we stand together to inspire hope, motivate, empower and educate while providing support and tools to individuals so they can overcome their challenges and live a self-directed life not bound by a diagnosis. SyrPeer's core values are choice and control, where peers have choice and control in how they are involved in their peer support, allowing them to express themselves authentically. Common ground, meaning peers share similar backgrounds, experiences, interests, or goals, creating meaningful relationships and providing opportunities to give and receive support, and safety, where peer support is voluntary and has a structure to create a physical and emotionally safe environment, nurturing hope and resiliency in recovery. The MHOT-PTE project, or the Mental Health Outreach Team and Peer Training Expanse, is a program that provides short-term engagement and supportive services to people in our community with mental health, substance use, and co-occurring challenges. This is done while training peers to become certified within their roles and gain employment. Services are delivered through 3 different program components: outreach, benefits access, restoration, and continued service referrals. The MHOT-PTE project combines all of SyrPeer's programs into a more complete model of support. SyrPeer additionally offers virtual outreach on the Talk Life app, and engages its peers in training development while providing virtual and in-person tutoring opportunities for those taking APS or CTAC courses. SyrPeer is currently developing its Warmer line, which is planned to begin in January of 2023. SyrPeer also plans on beginning street and hospital outreach by the fall of 2022, dependent on the response from local hospitals. This is all done on a volunteer basis while providing short-term engagement and supportive services to people in our community with mental health, substance use, and co-occurring challenges. Endurance in Recovery is a peer-led project sponsored by SyrPeer which provides a one-to-one mentoring relationship with an individual. Peer supporters will assist in identifying and perhaps reawakening their mentees' hopes, dreams and passions while building positive, supportive, and nurturing community connections. Endurance in Recovery focuses on the solution that involves mobilizing individuals and community resources that promote recovery, not a particular service or model of care. How to get in contact with SyrPeer, you ask? You may do so by visiting syrpeer.org. That is syrpeer.org. By emailing help@syrpeer.org. Or by following them on Twitter with their handle @SyrPeer. You may also contact Endurance in Recovery by visiting their website enduranceinrecovery.org, by emailing ruth@ruth@enduranceinrecovery.org, or by connecting with them on Twitter using the handle of @PEIR_support. Thank you for joining us and learning more about SyrPeer and our efforts. If you are attending a live webinar, or via Twitter Spaces, a Q&A session will begin shortly. Otherwise, you may contact Reverend James Clark by emailing him at james.clark@syrpeer.org or by connecting with him via Twitter using the handle @RevClarkNY. Thank you for joining us and for your support. Without it we would not be where we are today. And remember, we see you, we know you, we are you. Until next time, take care.